Hello students, in this video we will study exercise 12.1 of chapter area related to circle, and this whole exercise 12.1 is based on the basic formulas of circle which I told you in the first part of area related to circle. So please, before that you watch that part, that video. So first question is of this exercise that you find out the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. Means in this question two radius are already given. दो रेडियस दी हुई हैं R1 and R2 of different circles. First we have to find out the circumference of these both circles, and then after that they are saying that you find out the radius of that circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of these two. So it means we have to apply only circumference formula, but how? First we will apply the circumference formula for first circle, and the first circle radius we have taken as R1. So first circle circumference will be equal to 2 pi R1, yes, because 2 pi R is the formula of circumference, and second circle circumference will be also equal to 2 pi R, but 2 pi R2, and these two circumference addition is equal to the न्यू सर्कल सर्कमफ्रेंस. उसको हम उसकी रेडियस को हम डिनोट कर रहे हैं R3 से. सो इट मीन्स दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई R3 ऑल वेयर सर्कमफ्रेंस फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज द होल क्वेश्चन इज ऑल अराउंड सर्कमफ्रेंस. So 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2 is equal to 2 pi R3. It's according to question. So if you want, you can put here pi values and all the radius values R1 and R2. Then after that finding out the circumference and addition. Then you can again divide by pi and 2 to find out the R3. But why to do this much long calculation? We will do the easier calculation first. In the left hand side we will take 2 pi common. So what will be there inside the bracket? R1 plus R2, and here right hand side 2 pi R3. So you can see here 2 pi in both the side it's same, so we can cut it. It means R1 plus R2 will be equal to R3. So 19 plus 9 equal to R3. It means radius is 28 centimeter, and they are asking only the radius of the new circle. Fine, is it clear? Now next question. Next question is also same as first question, but the difference is in this question in place of circumference they are saying that area, that you find the radius of circle which circle area is equal to the sum of the area of these two circle. तो circumference की जगह हमें यहाँ पे क्या लगाना है? एरिया का फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, the questions, both questions are same, only the difference in circumference and area. So pi R1 square for first circle plus pi R2 square for second circle, and the sum of these two circle area is equal to the new circle area. It means pi R3 square, because I have given R3 name to the radius of the new circle, and pi R square is the formula of the circle area. Okay, so same we will do in this. We will take pi common in left hand side, so it will be R1 square plus R2 square equal to pi R3 square. Pi will be cut. Okay, R1 is 8, R2 6, and here only R3 square. So 64 plus 36 100, and the square will be shifted here in root. So what will be R3? R3 value is 10 centimeter. So these both questions are same, only the difference is in circumference and area. I hope these both solutions are clear to you. Now come to the third question. In the third question they have given the scoreboard, and in this scoreboard there are total 1 2 3 4 5 regions are there: gold, red, blue, black and white. Only the information is that diameter of gold score is given, that is 21 centimeter, and they are saying the width of each score is 10.5, means like this one is 10.5, then this width also 10.5, this width also 10.5 and this also 10.5 सेंटीमीटर. जो width increase हो रही है वो 10.5 हो रही है. And they are asking the area of each score. Blue, gold, red, blue, black, white, सारे score का area पूछ रहे हैं. So what is coming in your mind that which formula we have to apply here? Ring, area of ring. That also I told in you first part of this area of related to circle video. Okay, but before finding the area of ring, we have to find out the area of gold region. And gold region, you can see this is not a ring, this is a complete circle. So first we will write area of gold score, and this is in the form of circle, so pi r square, and r according to this diameter will be 10.5, means 21 upon 2. So 22 upon 7 into 21 upon 2 into 21 upon. So the area of gold score will be 346.50 centimeter square. Okay, now we have to find out the area of red score. Which score? Area of red score. And student, red score area is not in the form of circle. Red score is in the form of ring. Outer circle minus inner circle area. Which formula we will apply here? Area of ring, and that is outer circle area minus inner circle area. So suppose I am taking inner circle as R1, radius of inner circle as R1 and radius of outer circle as R2. So how to find out the area of red score? Pi R2 outer circle area square minus pi R1 square inner circle area. So now the point is that what is the value of R2? R1 we already know, that is 10.21 upon 2 which we have taken here, और इसका एरिया हमें दोबारा निकालने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है because we have already found out. Okay, main thing is we have to find out the area of outer circle to find out the area of red score. So how to find out? First find out the R2. R1 is 10.5, means 21 upon 2, and again in the question it is written that width of each score is 10.5. So if we will add, see this is 10.5, and if we will add this width in radius 1, so we will get R2. So R2 will be 21 centimeter. So for finding out the area of outer circle, we will take R as 21. Okay, this area you already know, that is 346.50. We have already found out here, and this area will be 441 into 22 upon 7. Okay, after calculating this, you will write the area of red score. Calculate this and subtract first gold score area. Like this you will continue. Then for the blue region you will take R3, and R3 again will be equal to R2 plus 10.5. R4 क्या होगी? R4 also will be equal to R3 is 21 plus 10.5 means 31.5 centimeter. Okay, R3 is R2 plus 10.5 जो width है हर स्कोर की, और R4 क्या होगी? R3 plus 10.5 means 31.5 plus 10.5 वो होगी 42. तो ऐसे आपको R3, R4 and then you have to find out R5 like this also only. Okay, and after finding out the radius of all outer circles like this, you will find out the area of all the scores. Red score area is pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. Then blue score area will be pi R3 square minus pi R2 square. इसमें आपको हर स्कोर के एरिया में ये तो दोबारा फाइंड आउट करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. नो नीड टू फाइंड आउट अगेन बिकॉज यू आर फाइंडिंग इट हियर. ओके, सो टेक इट फ्रॉम हियर एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम outer circle. Then for black square area, pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. Then for white square area, pi r5 square minus pi r4 square. So like this we will find out the area of each square in this question. I hope it's clear. So let's start question number 4 of this exercise, and this question is very important. In this question, diameter of wheel is given 80 centimeter and they are asking how many revolution each wheel take in 10 minutes to cover the distance at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour. Means they are asking number of revolutions and how to find out the revolution. I think you all know that one complete revolution taken by a wheel is equal to the circumference of circle. एक व्हील है जो यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, ये व्हील यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ और जब इसने अपना पूरा कंप्लीट रिवॉल्यूशन ले लिया फिर यहीं पे एंड किया, सो दिस व्हील विल कवर सम डिस्टेंस, वो कुछ ना कोई डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. एंड कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा? जितना उसका सर्कमफ्रेंस है, जितना वो सर्कल का अराउंड डिस्टेंस है उतना ही डिस्टेंस स्ट्रेट कवर होगा. सो दैट्स वाई वन डिस्टेंस कवर इन वन रिवॉल्यूशन, डिस्टेंस कवर इन वन रिवॉल्यूशन is equal to circumference of circle. Okay, same thing we will use in this. They are asking how many revolutions the wheel will take to cover the distance and the distance will be finding by time and speed, both are given. So first we will find out the distance, and distance formula is time into speed. Yes, but the time and speed both should be in the same unit. But you see here speed is in kilometer per hour and the time is in minute and the diameter of wheel is in centimeter. All the units are different. So what I will do here, speed is in kilometer per hour, so time also should be in hour. So I am converting this minute into hour. How to convert? 1 hour 60 minute. So 1 minute means 1 upon 60 hour and 10 minutes means 10 upon 60 hours. So we are finding distance by the formula time into speed. Speed we have taken in the same unit kilometer per hour and we have converted time minutes to hour. Okay, so by this distance is coming in kilometer, 11 kilometer. Okay, 11 kilometer, but the diameter is in centimeter, so we will convert this distance in centimeter. So first in meter, then in centimeter. Okay, so this distance is in centimeter. Now we have distance, and I told you that distance cover in one revolution is equal to the circumference of the circle. So how to find out the number of revolutions? Number of revolutions will be equal to total distance, जितना डिस्टेंस कवर हुआ है, डिवाइड बाय सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल, देन वी विल गेट दी नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर हुआ है 11 लाख सेंटीमीटर एंड डिवाइड बाय दिस सर्कमफ्रेंस. सर्कमफ्रेंस 2 पाई आर और पाई डी. D is given, so we will put here 80 pi and pi value is 22 upon 7. So 22 will be in denominator with 80 and 7 will come up in numerator. Okay, now we will solve it. And 625 into 7 is 4375. It means how many revolutions each wheel take? 4375 revolutions will be taken to complete the distance which we will cover in 10 minutes at the speed of 66 km per hour. So these are the 4 questions of exercise 12.1, and in the next video we will cover exercise 12.2. Okay, thank you.